If you are looking for the best heating and air conditioning company in your area, then you came to the right place. We are heating and air conditioning specialists in repair or installation service. We service both residential and commercial heating and air conditioning systems. We are available for 24-hour emergency service. We have over 10 years of experience in heating and air conditioning repair and installation services. Our technicians are trained and experienced in quickly diagnosing and fixing or installing new heating and air conditioning systems. Our services are competitively priced and in some cases less expensive than our nearest competitors. We are insured, bonded, and all parts in our service are warranted. We repair, install, and provide maintenance service on all major brands of heating and air conditioning systems. Our professional technicians have experience in servicing, repairing, and installing all major brands of heating and air conditioning systems. We have a list of our satisfied customers. We look forward to being of service to you. Contact us for a free no-obligation estimate for your heating and AC repair or new system installation. Call us now.